Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday, the last week of school. Woo. This is the last video I'm going to do this week. I was going to make a review video on Thursday, but my last two videos had 3 views, so you guys aren't even watching them. So today, I am just going to quickly review with you exactly what you need to know that's in the second half, or not the second half, but the last 3 pages of the chapter. And then I'm going to kind of ask you questions to help you review for the test, and that's it. So you'll get your study guide by the end of the school day today. You'll get your study guide answers on Thursday, and then your test is on Friday. So the test needs to be submitted to me by midnight on Friday for it to count for your final grade. So you need to get that into me. So let's just go ahead and begin. So from page 326 to 330, there's only a few key things that you need to know, okay? Asiatic Russia is sparsely populated and has very few large population centers, okay? So not densely populated, not many cities. Asiatic Russia, okay? The main Pacific port that's accessible year-round, thanks to huge icebreakers, those big ships, that port is Vladivostok, okay? So it's spelled Vlad, V-L-A-D, I-V-O-S-T-O-K, okay? So that's the main port, accessible year-round, thanks to icebreakers. You do have to know that, and that's in the last 3 pages of this chapter. A couple of other things is the mountain range that divides European Russia from Asiatic Russia is the Ural Mountains, U-R-A-L. So the Ural Mountains divide Russia, European Russia from Asiatic Russia, okay? There's a peninsula in Pacific Russia that includes 29 active volcanoes, and this is called Kamchatka. It's on page 330, and it's spelled K-A-M C-H-A-T, like chat, and then Ka, K-A. Okay, and you have to have this spelling correct. It's fill in the blanks. You need to make sure that you know this word, Kamchatka, okay? There are certain islands between Russia and Japan. If you look at a map, you can see where they are. And they are a source of dispute between these two countries because they basically fight over them. They're known as the Kuril Islands, K-U-R-I-L Islands. Okay, so these are a source of contention between Russia and Japan. And then the Trans-Siberian Railway. This is a notable railway because it links Russia's European and Pacific ports. Okay, so it's a very long railway. Trans-Siberian Railway links Russia's European and Pacific ports. Okay? Let's see. There's like 2 more things. That's right. We talked about this last time, but just as a reminder, the breakaway republic that's given Russia basically trouble since 1991 is what country? Chechnya, okay? And you need to know how to spell that. It's Chech, C-H-E-C-H, and then N-Y-A. And the last thing you need to know, now, we talked about this form of, not landform, but this type of climate and like what it does to the earth and the surrounding vegetation and different things like that in Canada. Well, Russia has the same type of climate. Okay, what name describes the Great Coniferous Forests? The Great Coniferous Forests of Siberia, and that's the taiga, T-A-I-G-A. Okay, so Canada and Russia both have a taiga region where it's lots of coniferous forests. Okay, so those are the only things that you need to know from the last 3 pages. You'll have your study guide by the end of today. You'll have all of the answers by Thursday. Your essays are a bonus, so you're welcome. For the last week of school, you don't have to study for your essays, but if you would like the bonus points, I will give you 5 extra bonus points. Now, you do have a map, and I will give you everything that you need to know on the map and where to find it in your book. That'll all be on your study guide today, so no stress. But you'll have plenty of time to study between now and Friday. It should not be a difficult test, especially if you did watch the videos, okay? So I hate that our class is ending this way, and I'm going to miss seeing all of your faces at the end of the year, but I hope you have a wonderful summer. So if you get the study guide done, you get your answers, you're more than welcome to take your test early, and once you do, cultural geography is over. So once that's submitted to me, it's done. But it has to be submitted Friday by midnight. Some of you wait till the last second, and that's okay as long as it's in. But please get it in because you definitely need a test grade at the end of the year. Otherwise, it'll be a 0, and I can guarantee it'll bring your grade down 2 letter grades. So if you're struggling at a B, you'll be at a low D, potentially F. So just make sure that you get that test in by Friday at midnight. And then next week, please make sure that your parents check their email. I don't know that it went to you all as well, but you have to turn your books in. So you need your big cultural geography book, not your activity book. You need to bring in your geography book and you have to turn it in, okay? Okay, so I hope you guys have a good day. Those are the simple things that you need to know from the last 3 pages. If you need a refresher, just watch this video again. It's very short. I hope you guys have a great week. If you have any questions, let me know, okay? Bye.